ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ? ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਹੋ ਸਾਰੇ? ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਬੜਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆ, ਸਸਟੇਨੇਬਲ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ. It's a need of the hour. Sustainable development is very important. As you know, development is positive change. For bringing development in social, economic, cultural, industrial field, we are using the natural resources. So there will be time when there will be scarcity of these natural resources. So sustainable development means use the renewable natural resources for development. It also means use those natural resources which are renewable, and while meeting the present needs, we must not compromise the needs of our future generations. So if we are cutting the trees, we must plant the trees. Sustainable development in simple words means use those natural resources for bringing development, for industrial development, for social development, for cultural development, for all types of development, using those natural resources which are renewable for development. Because development is really affecting our ecological system, our environment. You see, we don't have fresh, clean water, air on our land. So sustainable development is very important, related for the protection and preservation of our ecological system. In other words, we can say we must have the right to have clean air, clean water, fresh water to drink, safe environment on the earth. So sorry, sustainable development means judicious use of natural resources so that our coming generations, our future generations must not compromise with the needs. Judicious use of natural resources. So the United Nations decade for education of sustainable development was conducted from 2005 to 2014. This decade was to educate the people about sustainable development, and goals of sustainable development were fixed. These goals are as follow. Number 1, eradication of poverty. Number 2, zero hunger. There must not be a hunger in any country. Third, good health and well-being of all the citizens of all the countries. Qualitative education, clean water and sanitation, affordable clean energy. Energy must be affordable for the people from below to the top, and clean energy sources must be used. Economic growth was also goal of sustainable development. Growth of industry and infrastructure, new innovations, reduced inequalities, use of sustainable resources for the development of industry and infrastructure. So friends, to have good health, well-being, these were the goals of sustainable development, to educate the citizens of all the countries from 2005 to 2014. This decade was known as the decade of United Nations decade of educating the people about the sustainable development and about the goals of sustainable development, create awareness about the goals of sustainable development. So these SDG, sustainable development goals, are very important for all of us. Sustainable development is nothing but the judicious use of natural resources while we are meeting our present needs without compromising the needs of the future generations. अपने आने वाले बच्चे की करेंगे. So friends, there was a Paris Agreement, and in 2020 197 countries signed this Paris Agreement. This Paris Agreement is the next step after Kyoto Protocol Treaty about ecology or environment of the world, of the earth, you can say. All countries, 197 countries signed, but Iran and USA has not signed this Paris Agreement. In 2020, 197 countries of the world. There was a convention, United Nations Convention on Climate Change, and the goals were fixed in this Paris Agreement. The first and important goal was to reduce the emission of gases, greenhouse gases, the gases which are polluting our environment. There must be a reduction in the emission of gas, means carbon dioxide. Clean source of energy must be used, and these goals would be achieved approximately in 2030 by all the countries, member countries, those who have signed this Paris Agreement. India is to reduce gas emissions from 60% to 65% up to 2030. The very important goal which is fixed, plantation of trees. Plantation of trees is a national responsibility, social responsibility. Plantation of trees which will save our environment. So sustainable development is targeted to the preservation of our ecological system, to provide fresh air, water on earth. There is also an aim to protect the life underwater and on earth. Good health for all the peoples. Reduction of greenhouse gases up to 2030. Good health for all the citizens of all the countries on earth underwater. So, friends, to provide fresh, clean water, fresh, clean air on earth for all the human beings are the goals of sustainable development. This Paris Agreement is very, very important, and social responsibility and national responsibility is fixed on all the citizens of all the countries of the world to plant more and more trees. So friends, this was sustainable development, goals of sustainable development, what is the meaning of sustainable development, and Paris Agreement, and what are the targets, aims of Paris Agreement. The main and crux of Paris Agreement is to reduce the emission of gases by 2030 is very, very important to preserve or clean our environment or preserve our ecological system. So friends, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ। ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਫਰੈਂड्स ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੇ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।